At the heart of Mangalore, the CODP, a government recognized social service society, marks its golden jubilee with a renewed commitment to equality and justice. Their dream is clear: to reduce hunger by providing food to those in need and to increase happiness by building homes for the poor. Food for Work was the powerful slogan of CODP's food initiative. Welcoming those in need of food and medicines have always been their mission. To commemorate their golden jubilee with a meaningful act of charity, CODP answered the call of Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldana, Bishop of Mangalore, to build 50 new houses for the marginalized. A socio-economic survey highlighted the urgent need for housing among 500 deserving families in the Diocese of Mangalore. Today, we proudly announce the completion of 75 new houses and the renovation of 55 others, transforming the lives of 130 families. This monumental project has been realized with an investment of rupees 3 crore 11 lakhs 31,000 out of the rupees 4 crores 18 lakhs 76,000 sanctioned.
हांव रोशन डिसोजा मी पदव बिरगेजो हांव 7 वर्सां जालीं रुमांत आसचे भाड्याच्या रुमांत आसलो. आतां म्हाका CODP टावन आनी मायकल सरान तेणी ते घर कोणाक पास करचें सांगून ते इगर्जेक पळोवंक आयिल्ले ते म्हाका एक घर पास केला. म्हाका व्हरतो संतोश आसा. जाल्यार सांगल्यार हांव 7 वर्सां हांव भाड्याच्या रुमांतूच आसलो. तेणी हे पास करिनाटले म्हाजे घरय जावंक नाटले. हांव 7 वर्सां हांव अशेंच रावन भाड्यात बांदून आसलो. तांकां सगळ्यांक थँक्स आनी देव बरें करूं CODP आनी मायकल सराक.
म्हजें नांव प्रभा आनी म्हजे भुरगें नेल्ल्याडी. हांव म्हजें घर 12 वर्सां जालीं रिपेर करूंक म्हणून हांवें हें केल्लें CODP हेजी दिल्या. तातूंत म्हाका पाटल्या कुशीन एक रूम कुर्सिलें आनी सारोनी करूंक कुमो केल्यात आनी टायल्स बसोवंक कुमो केल्यात. म्हजें घर रिपेरी करूंक सहकार दिल्ल्या CODP आनी मायकल डिसोजाक हांव हळजातावन धन्यवाद भेटयतां.
What is the secret to this success? It lies in the 50-50 formula. 50% contribution from the diocese and 50% from the beneficiaries themselves. A significant donor, Mr. Michael D'Souza and his family have generously contributed rupees 1 crore 82 lakhs 25,000 to this initiative. Father Vincent D'Souza, Secretary of CODP, along with team members Mr. Oswald Rodriguez, Mr. Henry D'Souza, Mr. Joe Coelho, Mr. Dolphy D'Souza, Mr. Francis D'Cunha and Mrs. Irene Rebello have been instrumental in making this housing project a reality through their tireless efforts and personal visits. Seeing the dire living conditions, homes made of plastic sheets, children with disabilities on broken cots, lack of sanitation, and crumbling structures ignited a deep resolve within the team. This project became more than just a task. It became a mission to restore dignity and provide safe havens for the marginalized. Thanks to the generous hearts moved by compassion, this diocesan CODP Golden Jubilee Housing Project has shown remarkable results. We are overwhelmed by the support from the parishes in Mangalore Diocese and the cooperation of parish priests in identifying and assisting the neediest families. To everyone at CODP who overcame challenges to provide homes for the people of Mangalore Diocese, we extend our heartfelt gratitude. A special thanks to our chairman, Bishop Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldana, for his constant guidance and motivation, and philanthropist Mr. Michael D'Souza for his helping hand to this mission. We sincerely acknowledge the generous hearts of the members of the Sodality of the Immaculate Heart of the Blessed Virgin Mary, members of the Society of Vincent de Paul, and donors of Moganolo. Donate a tile with a smile. To those who have anonymously supported this cause, financially and in prayers, we thank you. Together, we have turned a noble vision into a beautiful reality. Thank you for supporting this noble work.